Hey, what's going on, guys? Quick little video here. Haven't made one in a little bit, but finally got some more parts in, and as you can see, I'm going to install a new grill. Got the grill already taken off. Now with it off, I'll show you where the grill actually mounts. You're going to have a Phillips head or 11mm socket. Can be taken off with either one right there and one on the other side. And it's going to snap in right there. That's where you're going to have to pull up on the grill when you take it off. And you're just going to have these trim piece Phillips. They're kind of like a flat screw. Let me find one here as an example. Kind of like these right here, except you can flip them up and take them straight out. But you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, a fifth one, and a sixth one right over here. And that's all you got to do to take this grill off itself. Pretty simple. And now we'll go inside and install the Trd Pro grill, and I'll go over what you got to do to actually get the stock grill off and then put the Trd Pro grill on. Alright, thanks. Alright guys, now we got the grill inside where it's a little warmer. We'll start by disassembling the stock chrome and bezel. And simply to do that, from what I've seen, is they have these chrome tabs sticking out, or black tabs on the Trd Pro grill, because that's where you're going to put the Trd Pro grill in. It's just going to snap in there like so. So we're going to take out all these points of clips that are in this grill, which you can see is quite many, but we'll get this out and then we'll lay a chrome grill next to the Trd Pro grill, do a little comparison of the two, which I'm sure all of you know what the grills look like, but figure I'd give you a little insight on them. Alright, stay tuned. Hey guys, finally got the grill removed. As you can see, the bezel itself comes straight out. And here's what it looks like. It's just a chrome ring that you got to take out before you can take out the chrome grill itself. Now on the Trd grill, you're not going to have that anymore. You're just going to have it fits directly in where the chrome ring fits. And also there was multiple clip Phillips screws that you had to take out throughout this grill. So you'll have to take out all the screws that you see on the grill. And then to take these clips out, some of them are kind of a pain. You just need to take a flathead screwdriver and wedge it in there and get that clip loose, and then slowly take your time, but watch what you're doing, because if you do decide to reuse this grill for if you don't like the Trd grill or the grill that you're maybe buying to replace the chrome grill, you don't want to break the clips on the stock grill in case you want to reuse it for something else. Alright guys, well let me get this Trd Pro grill put in and clipped on, and then I'll let you get a little look of it, and then we'll put it back on the truck. Alright guys, got the grill back on, and all it does is just snap on. Unlike the other one, there was a couple screws that you had to put back on. But as you can see, it's got a nice matte black finish, and then machined, kind of a machined look to the Toyota inserts there, which I may or may not be painting red or wrapping red or dipping red, you know, to match the color of the truck. But we'll see how it looks once we get on the truck, and then maybe down the road we'll get those dipped red or wrapped red. But let's go out to the truck and get this grill installed. Alrighty guys, got the sun in our backside here, so, or in the camera, so it might be a little blurry. But here it is. Nice Trd Pro grill. I mean, it definitely looks way better than the stock, especially with these black emblems and the black steps I chose. on this vehicle. And then I did notice you can get a Trd Sport all black emblem or sticker or whatever, the decal. So I'll be replacing this when I get that. And this looks great. Got a set of wheels picked out for this vehicle. Just waiting on some, because as you can see, had a little mishap with my driver's tire, so I've been rocking the spare for a couple of days now. But we'll get these replaced soon enough with some fuel coupler 20x9s and on a 275/55/20 Falcon Wild Peak AT3. The tire may change, but the size 275/55 is pretty locked in. I've seen where other people have been able to fit a 33, which this is the exact conversion for that is a 31.9-inch tire. So should, if any, should have minor rubbing at full lock that I can take care of by either removing these mud flaps here, which I mean they serve a purpose to an extent, but if I have to, I will eliminate those to be able to fit these wheels. And then, you know, as you can see, you'll be able to fender well will definitely be filled when I get those installed. But thanks for watching. If you did like the video, please sure to drop a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks.